everybody chasing tenders. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, robbie that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgeon on the chips that AI gotta play. Data center rising like light, algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes, automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tendies, now the whole world's sending tendies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tendies, everybody chasing tenders. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, robbie that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgeon on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes, automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tendies, now the whole world's sending tendies. In the age of AI and endless trading dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we print reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tendies, everybody chasing tenders. Hey, I run in everything, the future's looking trendy. Body dive, robbie that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirking, got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurgeon on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes, automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like it's chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent, system market like a storm through the thieves. Tendies, now the whole world's sending tendies. Markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirk, you got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like they're chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and illustrating dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm printing life-changing gains. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I run in everything, the future looking trendy. Body die, Robbie, that we never learned a lesson. Every day's a new rotation, smirk, you got obsession. Yeah, gel exploding 30% in a single day. Microsurging on the chips that AI gotta pay. Data center rising like cities made of light. Algorithms trading algorithms deep into the night. AI writing code, AI making video scenes. Automation creeping into every workflow stream. If AI does the work and the labor fades away, who's left to buy the product at the end of the day? Traders glued their headlines, eyes locked on the screen. Situation room meetings, nothing's what it seems. Decision coming soon, but it drags into delay. Future spike, futures crash, then they fade away. One tweet moves billions, one rumor sparks to run. Refreshing every second like they're chasing the sun. Is this innovation or a bubble in disguise? A new digital empire or a system overhyped? We're building something massive, but nobody agrees. Staying silent since the market like a storm through the thieves. Tandies, now the whole world's sending Tandies. In the age of AI and illustrating dreams, we don't just chase tendies, we bring reality. Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all.
Morning, guys. Good morning. Happy hump day. How are ya? Today is FOMC day. Who's ready for it? And we got a new Fed. Can get a little bit cuckoo. Morning, bon dia. Buongiorno. Buenos dias. We're international. You're ready to blow up? Well, today I'll be trading some evals and funded accounts that are very close to blow up, so I'm gonna go all or nothing. Today is the day that I'm most likely gonna blow up a few accounts, so it's gonna be a fun day. Do not follow me. You will lose your account if you follow me. But it's gonna be a fun day. Today it's gonna be a degen day. All or nothing. So I'm just gonna have fun today. Ready to blow up some accounts. And I have some evals ready for later today for the afternoon. Salud? Are you drinking this early morning? Too early for salud. Salud with my coffee. Congrats to Argentinians here. We almost got the gap fill yesterday, but gaps, like I said yesterday, gaps are not working like before. Gaps are not working like it used to. At least not with the indices. Let's see. How NQ, or if NQ goes to the 300s, how it's gonna react there. Yeah, 280, 300s. And around 580 on ES. Yeah, the Rojo is crazy strong. YM's kind of strong too, definitely stronger than ES. ES yesterday held very, very nicely all morning. It went down the rest of the day, but in the morning, it was really fighting that downtrend. Here's my month so far and my week. Pretty small week. But that's fine. The first week, I made a lot of money. The second week, 13K for a week is not bad. For 4 trading days, not bad. This week, I'm only up like 3,300, but also trading with less accounts. And today, I don't know if I'm gonna touch my funded account, so might be a no trading day here on Friday also. So yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have a very small week. That's fine. Green is green. Especially when we don't really have a clear trend. Like we had a very strong pullback last week, and then we had a big gap up on Monday, and then yesterday we pulled back and tried to fill the gap below. So we're not getting a clear trend this week. And we have FOMC today. Friday the market is closed. Tomorrow is quad witching, so it's not a week to go like crazy with your trade size. It's a week to be careful, to only look for good for consistency, right? Good setups and nothing more. In fact, I think yesterday was a day to not trade. Like that price action was ugly. Let's see if we have better day today. I doubt, to be honest, guys. But I don't know. Sometimes we have a crazy, easy, flowy move on FOMC days. I don't know if that's gonna happen today because we have a new Fed head. So we'll see, but I'm expecting some choppiness today. Kind of like yesterday. Yesterday was the price action was bad, like really bad. And I think those are the days that we really know if we are good traders, right? Like we need to be able to say, okay, this is not a good price action. Let me just get out of here and not trade this. That's how you save a lot of money. If we take out all the stupid shit that we do when we know we shouldn't be trading, we will be so much more profitable. That's why I don't trade Fridays. Yeah, this 400 level looks like a great hold here on NQ. Let's see if ES is gonna hold here. These little highs here. We don't have data today other than FOMC. Hey, Mendo. I think I'm starting next month. Yeah. Or next week. With my channel in Spanish. Yeah. Who's ready to pass accounts on in the afternoon? We have 90% off on Apex. and 35% off on Tradeify. Keep in mind, some props don't allow you to trade news. I think TPT, you cannot use TPT for FOMC. So there's a few ways to pass evals. One is the orb. You can literally put, let's just say we are like a few seconds before 2 p.m., which is when FOMC starts, right? You can put a buy order above these highs and a sell order up below this low. So whatever it goes, if the market goes higher, you get a buy order and then just keeps going higher. If it goes below, you get a short and then goes lower. But that's pretty aggressive, right? You can do that. The thing is, like with FOMC, you can have a lot of slippage, right? Doing that. And I don't know how the market is gonna move with this new Fed. I kind of knew how the market moved with Powell. So what I was doing was, you always had, before Powell starts speaking, like a few seconds before, you always had like a huge candle to either side, right? So if it was a huge pullback, I will just go and buy the dip right away, and then I had a strong bounce and I will get in and out very quickly. That's what I was doing with Powell, and that's how I was passing evals. Like honestly, it was very easy to pass evals that way. Yeah, I will use the ADR rubber band strategy to pass the evals. That works. And it also this works. Having a buy order a little bit above the highs and a little bit below the lows, and that works also. But so you know, obviously you're gonna have, with high risk trade, you have high probabilities that you are most likely gonna blow up those accounts. So I'm fine with that, because I always tell you guys, I do not like wasting my time with evals. And financially, I'm at a point that I lose more money if I take too long to pass an eval. So I don't care if I blow a few evals before passing them. But if you're not on that position, or let's just say you're kind of new with props, just trade the evals if it was a funded account. Also, because it's gonna help you really understand how props works. Just take it like a good practice, where you're gonna take those good habits into your funded accounts. Because if you start like going crazy with evals, what I see is a lot of times you go with those bad habits into funded accounts, and then you pass the eval really fast, but you blew up funded accounts really fast, and that becomes a circle of losing money. Crazy man, crazy woman. This could be an interesting hole here, maybe. I would prefer here. But definitely looks like Enki was just holding this little 400 level here. It looks just like yesterday. Just a chop mess so far. EF needs to break the 700 so it can go and retest pre-market highs. Very choppy price action. Very expected also. Let's see what games we have today. Any good matches? Oh, Ronaldo is playing today. Portugal is playing today. Oh, this one's gonna be really, really good. England, Croatia. That one's gonna be pretty good. This one on Saturday is gonna be really good also. I'm going to a pool party on the weekend. We're gonna watch the games. going to a friend's house. He had a beautiful, beautiful house with pool, really nice barbecue. So we're gonna go there. Eat some really nice asado. Watch the games. Let's see if Enki is gonna hold here again. Can he hold it? Okay. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Nope. Wanna count down? Churrasco, yes. How's the weather there in Mendoza? Kinda chilly, right? Let's see if I can have any luck here. Okay. Nope. Another one gone. Let's see how ES is gonna react to pre-market lows. Same thing to the 300s on NQ. We are right at yesterday's lows on ES. Yes, looks like he wants to hold here. Yeah, very jumpy price action. Perfect bounce here on ES. Anyone took that? I think today, if you want to trade anything, it's for a quick scalp. And you're gonna react this little level here, the 400s. Nvidia is looking pretty weak. Same thing with Apple. SMH looking just like NQ. Yes, holding yesterday's lows and pre-market lows. You are short. I like the short. I was looking for a break here, retest. I wanted to see NQ going a little bit higher and reject this 400 level. You can go to the 400s or 440s. Yeah, don't like that reaction there. Okay. Okay. I'm out. That was a good reaction play. 1 account safe, 2 gone. Next one. So we had this one is gone. This one is gone too. This one is safe. Let's go to the next one. Like I said at the beginning of the stream, I'm just gonna have fun today. Have fun with some evils and funded accounts that are very close to get killed. So I'm gonna go for all or nothing. And it's a very choppy market, so I'm not overstaying on any trade. Yeah, 713 on QQQ, pretty much the same here as pre-market lows, like yesterday's lows. That's yesterday's lows, around yesterday's lows on NQ. I want to see NQ going lower to the 300s. 300s, 280s. But it looks like it wants to hold here. I think I had a pretty good entry and exit here. Argentina, beautiful game. I mean, that's what we should have been expecting from Messi. Like, he's the GOAT. Honestly, I was a little bit annoyed how they play so many touches, like kind of risky near their goalie. I did not like how they play that. I think they played too many risky passes in the middle and near their goalie. But I mean, it's Messi. Yeah, today price action is gonna be messy. Yeah. Are we gonna go to 450, 440 and reject there? Okay. Nice reaction there. Can you just go lower already? Oh yeah, that fold was definitely for a yellow card. It was not necessary. Like, he didn't need to do that. They were close. He wasn't, like, the guy wasn't even near. Like, yeah, that was not necessary. Like, that was an ugly fold. Yes. I don't think it was for a red, but definitely for a green card. I'm sorry, yellow card. Yes. And it was very unlikely from Messi. He's not like that. I don't know. That I thought that was weird. Pretty weird, to be honest. I mean, it was his first game. The other guy wasn't even close to their goalie. Like, it was the beginning of the game. It was an ugly fold. Very risky also. Like, Portugal later. I don't think I'm gonna. Well, I'll be going to the gym, so maybe I'll watch it there. So Inca is still having a lot of trouble around here. I'm working on today's bot day. I train I work out on my own, but I'm thinking about getting a trainer because sometimes I just work better if I have someone like kicking my butt constantly. So I feel like I need that sometimes. And it's just so much easier. I don't need to think about what I'm gonna do next. And I like people pushing me to do better and for more. Like I have a pickleball coach, and he's always screaming at us. It's kind of like a grumpy guy, but I like it. Yeah, definitely. If you're paying for a coach, you're not gonna skip a day. Especially here in US, because getting coach here is very expensive. Like I'm paying $350 monthly for my pickleball coach. And we only have classes twice per week. Like I can eat pretty healthy. Like I like my greens, I like my salad, I like my steaks. Like I think like for food, I have no problem with eating healthy other than the weekends because I really like sweet stuff. So and ice cream. I've been eating a lot of ice cream lately. I gained like 5 pounds the last, I would say 3 weeks. And that's a lot for me because I'm very short. I'm 5'2". I like the ice cream sandwich, M&M's ice cream sandwich. Ice cream. These ones. These ones. But if I'm going out, I like pistachio. Yeah. I love them. I love ice cream. I've been eating a lot lately, to be honest. I think it's because when I play too much pickleball, I'm hungry all day. When I do too much cardio, I'm hungry all day. Ooh, Talenti. Yeah, I love the Talenti gelatos. I love the one. There's one like the coffee one, and also, what's the name? Like it's like I think it's vanilla with caramel or something like that. No, it's summer. Like I should be in shape. It's summer, and I'm traveling to the beach. I'm going to Alice Beach in a month and a half. I can't be chubby for a beach trip. I need to stop eating ice cream. You were just there? Yeah, I always wanted to go there, so I'm going. Looks beautiful. Looks so beautiful. I don't know if this is true. You know, sometimes you see places that look beautiful in picture, but then when you are there, it's like, this doesn't look like the pictures. But yeah, I'm going there next month. Sounds like Tinder? No. Yes, it's been very, very clean today. Am I sleeping on? Yes. So I won't be streaming for like 3-4 days next month. I think it's the end of next month. I'll let you guys know. We're doing a road trip. It's a 9-hour trip. Damn. Nine hours. Didn't know it was that far, but whatever. From Japan, is here really? Let's see. Is he talking about the war? No? What is he talking about? I don't see where it is live. Oh.
Iran will be just fine. What's happening is that at an appropriate time, there's no rush at all. We have cameras from space on it. We know everybody. And we're benefiting. Venezuela's benefit, and then we go to Iran, and really in the first week, militarily, we.
You guys want to see him talking?
Nobody thought that could be done. Yeah, please. No, I want Israel to be able to
Iran,
protect himself, but I do
Israel, India,
want them to use
Venezuela.
Under your presidency.
What does that mean?
Highly skilled professionals to get more opportunities here in the US.
Oh, yeah, sure. I mean, always.
Yeah.
We've always had tremendous relationships in terms of employment with India. Very talented people.
You've seen European leaders interact very warmly with you at the summit. Do you think that they're coming around to your worldview?
Well, I think they think I was right. I'm sort of always right. You know, when you get right down to it.
Sorry. Can you guys hear me now? Okay, looks like EF is breaking out here. Can really hold it. Okay, can we have a clean break and retest here? Same thing here. Buy account. I don't like that move. Okay. Buy account. Beautiful. Okay. And I'm all out with this one. Next one. Oh. Let's see. Gone. Another one. Gone. what am I doing? Having fun. I told you guys at the beginning of the stream that I was just gonna try to pass on evils. And I had some funded accounts that they were very close to being blown. So I'm just trying to see if I can make something. If I can flip them or blow them. Whatever happens, it happens. On. No, if you blow on an evil, you need to buy another one. Out. Guys, I'm just trying to pass on evals. That's it. So I look for possible bounce plays at little supports, right? Support, 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 support. That's it. There's no structure, just YOLOing evals. I'm just flipping accounts. That's it. That's all gonna depend on the account size. And how is the price action also. With Apex, you can do whatever you want, to be honest. They do not care how you pass your evals. With funded accounts, it's different, but evals, you can do whatever you want. I'm looking here for the 400s again. Unless we hold these 450 here. Yes, morning low again. Nvidia is trying to hold a morning low, the 207. I don't want that. Okay. Nope. Yes, losing this level is no bueno. I got this long wick here at ES. It's really fighting these pre-market lows. Yeah. If you do this too much, you're gonna build really bad habits. I need to pee. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. I'm back. I want to see if we can have a push here. Okay, I like that. I like that. That's a nice push there. Yeah. Like I said before, I don't think today is a day to overstate on my trades. It's a very quick scalpers crazy day. YOLO scalping day. On a regular price action day, I will be expecting for NQ to go here at least because of this candle. Damn. Boom. Whoa. But yeah, today look at this price action. So no bueno. This is a type of FOMC price action that I will wait a little bit and take a long at a strong support like that. Right there. That will be a quick buy right at the 300 level and I'll be already out. And that's how I pass evals. You have a huge move to the downside, like a few seconds before FOMC. I look for like this 300 level, buy there, out, buy. You caught that? Yeah, that's... Look at 300 level, big reaction to the downside. You wait just a few seconds to see if it's gonna give you a wick there, right at the support level, and then you just go all in, out in like 3 seconds. You just look for a quick bounce reaction there. We have yes, losing this level. Again, today is a crazy choppy day, but in a regular market I will be looking for this. But I don't like this long wick at the bottom. Oh, the war. So no peace deal. No veo aquí un pollo, chao. Bye, see you tomorrow. Yeah. You're right, corn dog. Code ADR or ADR Apex. Oh, it's almost 11 o'clock, so I might do one more trade. I like this ES short, but it's like, is it gonna work today? I don't know. Should we try it just for science? Let's go. It's gonna stop me out right away. Let's see. I do not want to see it holding this level here. Just for science. Yep, nope. I guess science is gonna fail me today. We'll see. Almost there. Very typical FOMC morning. I almost skipped today's stream, but then I was like, let's just have a little bit of fun. Let's YOLO some accounts. Let's show what we should not be doing. Yes, is holding two good yesterday's lows. Pre-market low. We needed to see losing here. Losing this little level here. Oh, the little experiment is working. Okay. Die, EF, die. The science always works. I like that reaction there. Me like it a lot. But can we trust a continuation to the downside? I don't know. Don't know. No lo sé. Okay. NQ definitely needs to lose this little support here. Then we have continuation to the downside. Hello, everybody. Not today, no. I'm just having fun today. Food, yes, it's having a very nice day. Food, buying the dip, when I told you guys, it was so easy. That was free money, like, easy. Yeah, let's see if we're gonna have continuation to the downside. So far, this looks pretty good. We'll see. With this price action, anything can happen. Yeah, Enki is holding very, very good. So we'll see which one is gonna win, Enki hold or ES weakness. Okay. Okay. Come on, just go lower already. Oh, thank you. More. Just keep going lower. Yeah, this is an ugly day, ugly price action, but at the same time, very expected, guys. So, that's why I'm going with some YOLO trades. But I do think this one is pretty good. Like, I do think this trade is a good one. I don't know if we're gonna have continuation to the downside, but it's a good setup. But again, the price action is horrendous, so it's kind of like 50-50. Everything today, 50-50. Okay. I want to get rid of the micros because I don't need this. Just holding those two minis. Just gonna hold those two minis. Okay. So I have a stop loss here, and I have a PT here. So whatever it goes first, it's gonna take me out of this trade. And I'll be done for today. Come on, just do something. Stop me out or go lower, but move. Looks like it's gonna stop me out of this trade. Almost there. Ooh. If it holds here, I'm out. Like this. I feel like I'm wasting my time here. Let's see. Yeah, I got stop out and I'm done. Fun day, not really. Very choppy price action. So I'm getting out of here. I'm hungry. Gonna go and work out. I'll see you again mañana. Yeah, I'll see you again mañana. Thank you guys. Bye.
Yeah, markets making all-time highs, everything in overdrive. Every day I went from gaming rigs to power in the AI hive. Google keeps climbing while the bears still wait for the fall. Every dip gets bought back like it never dropped at all. Apes in the trenches, YOLO bets on fire. Diamond hands locked tight as the candles climb higher. Gamma squeezes ripping through the options chain. FD's up in flames, I'm pretty life-changing game. Tandis, everybody chasing tandis. Hey, I'm running everything, the future's looking trendy.